Welcome to Boost Coding Flow channel. In this video, we will show you how we as the master admin can see all the master admin, the admin, and regular users' data. We as the master admin also can see the personal information for each users. So as the master admin, we can reach each users as needed. In the other hands, the admin only can preview the list of the all regular users member to help the master admin to monitor all the users who can access all the information that we share in the community. While the regular users only can share and update their own information, so the master and the admin can reach all the regular users outside the community website. Based on role differences, the users also will have different menu on their menu bars according to the role access needs. In this demonstration, the information that will be stored in the Google Sheet are first name, last name, phone number, home address, email address, and the password to sign up the community site on Google Script. To be a master, you need to register your email address with @master.com as your email domain. Also, to be an admin, you need to register your email address with @admin.com as your email domain. While when you register with an email with unknown domain, you will automatically registered as a regular user. Please replace the const sheet ID value that written between double quotes on the code.js with the specified the spreadsheet ID that we are working on. Please replace the const value of user underscore sheet underscore name written between double quotes with the specified sheet name that will contain the regular user's data. Please replace the const value of admin underscore sheet underscore name written between double quotes with the specified sheet name that will contain the admin's data. Please replace the const value of master underscore sheet underscore name written between double quotes with the specified sheet name that will contain the master admin's data. You can decide your own email domains for the admin and the master admin member by changing the domain that written between double quotes. Hope this tutorial helps you to create a simple code of Google Script yet powerful to fulfill your web system's need. Please stay tuned on Boost Coding Flow channel.